May I ask one last question?
Yes, go ahead, please.
I know this may sound odd, but if a woman that we know that is religious reaches out to us directly without someone in between, should we consider this as immodest?
I mean, it depends what she wants. Like if it's personal, so it would be modest. But if it's like some business wise, so it depends.
No, something personal, actually.
I mean, personal, like you have to find out what exactly she wants. Like, be direct. How can I help you? So I had this person and actually guy. I forget about the guy, and I could not understand what does he want from me. So he went around the bush. So I asked him 3 times. Please explain it. Like ask your question directly. How can I help you? Like what can I do for you? You understand? So I on third time when I asked a third time, he just disappeared. I don't know. But I also do not understand. So, but it's proper to ask if you do not understand where is it going. So you ask a direct question: how can I help you? What can I do for you? Like, right? Because some people have a long introduction. So I always apologize. Maybe person. Just tell me. I mean, I agree. Just whatever you're going to tell me, it's good. But first, tell me how can I help him? Maybe it doesn't. Whatever you say, it's not relevant. I'm not going to do it. Right. So start with the main point.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.